Hello everyone, I am Gaurav Chobe. I am a PhD student in the Department of Civil Engineering at Purdue University, and as a part of GradTrack mentoring program today I would like to share some quick tips on how to get started in a new lab or a research group. So the first important thing is to learn about the group. Take time to learn about the lab's work, read a couple of recent papers, project summaries or presentations from the advisor and senior lab members. This will help you to understand the direction of the research and where you can contribute. The second is to introduce yourself to the lab members and ask questions. Do not hesitate to introduce yourself to the members and ask thoughtful questions. Everyone was a new lab member once, and most people are happy to share their advice. So you can ask questions like, can you please walk me through the equipment, how this works, or how do people usually share the data among the members. That can help you really much. The third thing is to get organized and take notes. So you can keep a dedicated notebook or digital log, write down the protocols or the passwords or key ideas from the meetings, and even the mistakes that you are making in the initial phases. It will save you a lot of time later, and it shows that you are taking initiative. The next is to communicate and be proactive. Finally, if you keep communication open with your advisor, it will help you to share your progress regularly. And if you are stuck, do not wait too long before reaching out for the help. Also, look for small ways where you can contribute, whether it is helping set up a experiment or proofreading a draft or taking meeting notes, something like that. So finally, it is important to understand that starting in a new lab can feel overwhelming, but remember, you do not need to know everything on the day one. Of course, show curiosity, stay organized, and build good relationships with the team. Over time, you will find your place and make meaningful contributions to the lab. Thank you.